It's okay, geese. It's okay. Boy, they're really getting close. They smell food.
I smell food. I hope they don't get too anxious about it. Okay. Okay, guys, kids, can you say hi?
Hi.
And the kisses.
Yeah, you want one too, don't you? Oh.
Hi! No, that geese wants Carlos's cookie.
What? Get out of here. Go on. Here. Have that.
No!
Have that kind of piece.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on.
Jedi.
Carlos,
There you
tell
go.
me, don't give him a bunch, Carlos.
Don't you dare do anything to my daughter. Get out of here. Get out of here. I'm only going to throw in the water.
We're getting you food, big
The crazy boy is scary. Oh, thank you.
Very much. There you go. He's hungry. Hey, wait. Nice. Yeah, have some, big guys.